Good morning, crafting friends. Cheryl Ann here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and I have another completed one of my smaller journals for you today. This one is, I'm calling it Botanical Christmas. There's no Santas, there's no snowmen. You can see it's all plant-based. There might be a few birds in here, but I wanted to do a botanical Christmas one since I had all this gorgeous fabric with holly and berries and some other flowers. And here's some more uh, berries. And I'm not sure what these red ones are, but she's pretty chunky. The closure I did on her, I just put this elastic because I didn't want anything to take away from the cover. And I even have, oh my goodness, I even have a little bell to attach. But I took it off during filming. She's 7 inches by 5, and her spine is 2 inches. So, and again, this is that odd time of day when the sun is coming right in. So we'll take a look here. I have to tell you, my arthritis today is so bad that I can barely use my right hand. Yeah. So she has a pocket on the front. She has a pocket on the back, and in the front one I put this little book I made. And it's just got plain paper, but for taking notes, and I decorated it. So that's in the front. She does have a large pocket here in the front with this gorgeous, oh, look at that paper. That's that scrapbook pad I got a year ago at Hobby Lobby. It wasn't Joanne. So here's some fabric. And I find that, it's easier to do these pockets with just sewing it on 2 sides. I'll show you as I go through. She has some light stamping. Oh, see that sunlight? It's just now blocking everything. And she does. I did spray the pages. They're very lightly tea stained, and then I sprayed it with some dilution spray. So here's another pretty scrapbook paper. I love this. Is the one with the cardinal. So see, that has a bird, and then there's that berry one. One of the neighbors is out whistling. Here's a little journaling card I made. Oh, and there's the cardinal. He shows up quite a bit in here. Oh, there's some Christmas floral. Oh, and look at this. Oh my goodness. That's just too cute. She's 2 signatures, and each signature has a page out of a natural history book with flowers. I got carried away with this stamping here. There's that pretty flower that I centered. Here's another little journaling card. I love how this paper came out. Oh, and this is the center here of the first signature, so I was able to see the little bird. So he's in the middle, and this gorgeous flower. And again, I didn't put anything in here yet, so I'm gonna have to think about. But see, if I sew it all the way to the top, it's really hard to get stuff in. If you just leave it open a little bit, it's a little easier to get your tag in. Oh, you know what? I didn't even count the pages. I'll have to give that to you at the end. There's another homemade tag with this gorgeous, there's the little chickadee with the music. I really like that one. Can you hear the crows? Ravens. They're actually ravens. We have this family that's been in the neighborhood forever. I think as long as we've been here, and that's 40-something years. Oh, here are the two cardinals. Two cardinals in the tree. And again, see, I left it open a little bit. It's just easier to get things in and out. Oh, and there's the back of that gorgeous paper. There's a little, oh, it's a little decoration I made here at the top. I wanted to use that burlap somewhere. So here's a little card I made, a little bird. And then here's the second signature. Sorry, I'm having to do this one hand. There's a little tag I made. And that's a little envelope. There's another little tag. Another little bird. So this one has a few birds, but it's mostly botanical. There's one with music. I have to get a music tag in there somewhere, right? Oh, and this one I sewed the flower on it because it was black and white. There's a little bit of green. I want to give it some color. A little chickadee. Oh, here's one of my shaker things. I made 4 of them. So one is in here. There's the back of that paper. Here, oh, I love this pocket. Find where the light is. This is a fairly big pocket I made. That little tag. Oh boy, he's just got a lot to say this morning. Here's another. Oh, this is the one, yeah. This one has a lot of crochet, and in the pocket, it just kind of goes like that. It's crocheted. There's the back. I didn't put anything in here yet. There's some light stamping. There's plenty of room to write, to journal, record your memories. Oh, there's the another little one with birds. And then I put the little chickadees on the end. And then this is the back pocket. It has just a simple little tag. And I found this. I found it with the trees over at Michael's. They have boxes of cards now. Buy one, get one free. So I bought 2 yesterday. And this is the back. Oops. Just collecting little pieces of scrap here. So there she is. She does have the ruffles sewn. She's soft cover, so she does have the ruffles. I sew them and then I glue them on with Fabri-Tac. So, and they're underneath is the green and white print fabric. So, you know, you might see a little bit of that, but they should pretty well cover it. And then that's the spine. So I'm going to put her in my Etsy shop today, which is Deserts and Beyond. So come on over and take a look. Thanks for stopping by. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.